Hi, I'm Meg Radford. I'm the writer of The Minimal Makeup Bag, How to Curate Your Own Capsule Makeup Collection. And today I'm going to be showing you my 5-minute makeup routine for moms. So it's only 4 products. You can do it anywhere. I'm sitting on the floor in my son's room right now. And I keep everything in this bag, which is actually like a kid's to-go bag, but I like the clear side. And yeah, like I said, it's gonna be fast, a few different products, and then I'm gonna show you the other 4 or 5 products that I add if I want to take it up a notch. Say I'm like going on a date with my husband or to work, that kind of thing. So yeah, without further ado, I'm gonna zoom you in and let's get started. Okay, I think that lighting's a bit better. So we're gonna get started. The first thing I always use, and this is a holy grail for moms. I have had more than one of these. It's the Bobbi Brown corrector. So it is meant to correct dark circles under the eyes. I have the color Light Bisque. There's a lot of different colors depending on your skin tone and whether the shadows under your eyes are purple or like a greenish color. So if they're purple like mine, then you want the Bisque, and if they're more of a greenish, then you want the peach tones. So I'm just gonna pop that under and you're gonna see the immediate difference. See the difference? It's crazy. That's why this is like my #1 favorite makeup product. Okay, the second step, we're already on the second step, is brows. So this is the NYX Micro Brow. I use the shade Ash Brown. I've been using this shade for like 6 years. I'm just gonna grab a mirror. You can't really see my brows that well with bangs. Maybe that's another tip. Don't have to get them done as often or focus that much on them if they're hidden with bangs. So yeah, I'm doing this in real time because I want you guys to see how long it actually takes. I really don't like it when I'm watching a tutorial that's like only 4 minutes and then the edited video is 4 minutes, because that means it took longer than 4 minutes. Okay, brows done. Now I have this mini. It also comes obviously in a larger size. It's the Ilia Multi-Stick. So it's a cream blush, lip color. You can also use it on your eyes. And I have the shade Atlas, so it's like a mauvey pink. So I just put that on my lips. It's got a bit of a glow to it, so it also does the job of highlighting. Bit on my cheeks. I'm in my 30s now, so I don't have as much natural flush as I used to. I kind of like blend it in just under the eye so it goes nicely into the corrector. There we go. Maybe a little bit on my lids. Just a bit in the crease to define the eyes a bit more. Okay, now the only new product I'm trying today on camera is the Tower 28 Make Waves mascara. I have it in the brown color Drift because I wanted something a bit more subtle for summer. I usually use this one. This is the Too Faced BTS mascara. I have it in black, but it also comes in brown. And this gives like really gorgeous, voluminous lashes if that's what you're after, which I usually am, but for the summer, I wanted something that was a bit more subtle. So this is what the Tower 28 looks like. That's really nice. Does a really good job of separating and lengthening. Oh, I don't usually put it on the bottom lashes because it can kind of smudge and stuff, but since I'm testing this one, I want to see how it wears throughout the day. Okay, so that's it for my 4/5 minute 4-product makeup look. If I'm taking it up a notch, and honestly, I will usually do this step every day anyway because I feel like my lips aren't as well defined. So I like to add a lip liner on the edges. This one is NYX in Mauve. And it's a great neutral that really matches the deeper shades in my lips. Okay. If you like the kind of blurred lip look, then you can skip this, but like I said, I like mine to be a bit more defined. So then, if I am going on a date, going to work, I will add a little bit of Clinique Even Better. I will add a little bit of Clinique Even Better foundation. This also has SPF in it, and I wear the shade Breeze. And I'll put that like around my nose where I have redness, and then just above my upper lip where I have some discoloration from pregnancy that didn't go away. And then depending on the day, might put a bit like on my chin and jaw area where I also have a bit of discoloration. Okay. Okay. It's all blended in. And then I have this mini NARS duo. So it's their classic orgasm bronzer and then, blush. And then the bronzer Laguna. Mine broke, so I have been using this one by Sephora, which I think they don't make anymore. But you can buy this duo and it's pretty much the same thing. So I'm just gonna put some bronzer on my forehead, on my cheekbones, under my chin. And then I'm gonna take the blush and add a bit more just to the apples for a little bit of a pop. Mine is completely broken. But that's like the second or third one of that I've bought too. I really like that duo. The next thing I'm gonna do is add a bit of my favorite MAC Naked Lunch eyeshadow. It really brightens the eyes right up. So I'm gonna put it on the inner corner over to the middle of the lid. Oops. See how much brightness that gives to the eyes. Ooh, it's beautiful. And then I'm gonna take a bit of my bronzer and just sweep it in the crease. So the look is kind of cohesive, tied together with the cheeks. And I might use a little brow gel just to keep them in place. This is the Anastasia, I think it's the Dip Brow Gel in taupe. And my last step is going to be my Fenty gloss. This is in Sweet Mouth. It's a bit in the middle. clean up with my lip liner. And there you go. That's what I add if I want to be a little bit fancier. Okay, I wanted to show you the look up close in a bit better light. You can find all the products for this look in the description, as well as on my blog post, which will also be linked. If you have any questions or product or video requests that you want me to do, please let me know, and I hope you have a beautiful day.